Welcome back, DH crew. Today's hurdle is getting through your next hurricane. Let's get over this hurdle. Hey everyone, it's Ryan from Daily Hurdles, here with a few items to get you through your next hurricane. First of all, you need to store plenty of water in your home in case your water supply becomes unusable. FEMA recommends at least 1 gallon of water per person per day for at least 3 days. We recommend that to be the minimum amount of fresh water available. Keep in mind, you're going to need water for pets, cleaning, and flushing the toilet. A cost-efficient way to store water is to fill your bathtub up before the storm hits. You don't want to use this water for drinking, but it can be used for almost anything else, like filling your toilet. Just drop it in the back of the tank. And now your toilet's ready to flush again. You will also need to keep enough non-perishable foods to get you and your family through a few days. Remember not to stock up on items that need refrigeration, as your refrigerator will lose its ability to keep things cold after about 10 to 12 hours. Now, if you do have items like milk or baby formula that you want to keep refrigerated, just grab a cooler out of your garage, put the items in, and fill it with ice. Now, if you don't have a cooler available, keep in mind that your washing machine can double as a cooler. The washing machine has a large capacity to hold items and a lot of ice. Plus, the bonus is, once the ice melts, it'll just drain out the bottom. For today's video, we want to focus on a few items that you may have overlooked in your hurricane preparation. First thing to think about is this battery storage case. This case organizes your battery by size. It keeps them secure, and it protects them from damage with this hard case. You can see that here. Taking a look on the inside of the case, you can see all the batteries fit in these grooves here according to the size of the battery. So you have D's available, C's, AA's, even 9-volt batteries here. Included in the case is this tester that will test all these types of batteries here. AA's, C's, D's, all those here. And I'll test that. I'll show you how that works right now. So we'll just grab a battery, slide open this part. I'm going to put the negative up top. And your gauge right here, that will show you that anything in the green means the battery's good. So that comes included in the case. Also included, you have more storage space on this side. Again, any more batteries that don't fit in the compartments that you have here, you can always store here. C's and D's are great for a lot of different types of flashlights. Keeping extra C's and D's on hand is always a great idea, so these compartments here can help you store those extra batteries. This product is also great to use not only during hurricanes, but you can use this product all year long. It's going to keep your batteries dry, it's going to keep them safe. So it's not just an item that you would use during a hurricane, but you can use it all year long. The next item we want to feature is this 25,000 milliamp battery bank. If you've ever been in a hurricane, you know that your phone or your iPad becomes your lifeline to what's going on around you. Subsequently, using your device all the time for updates quickly drains your battery. This battery bank is your solution for charging your device without electricity. To put it into perspective, most phones come with around a 3,000 to 4,000 milliamp hour battery. This device comes with 25,000 milliamps. So if you do the math, you can charge your device about 4 to 5 times. iPads will differ as they have a larger battery, but you'll still get a full 2 to 3 charges out of it. The battery bank itself is relatively easy to charge. It's no harder than charging an actual cell phone. You can plug it in on the bottom right here. This is your charging cable, and then that'll plug into any normal wall outlet. It takes about 6 to 8 hours to fully charge, and once it's fully charged, there's an indicator light on the bottom right here, and it's powered by this button right here. Once you have 4 lights, you know the unit is fully charged. Once your unit is fully charged, you can now utilize the device. On the bottom, I have some USB ports, so you can take your cell phone cable, plug that in, and now you're ready to charge. So you can take your cell phone, plug it in, and now it's charging just like it would charge in any other normal wall outlet. Prior to the storm hitting, you want to fully charge your battery bank so that way you get the 4 to 5 charges out of it. Now once you've utilized 4 to 5 charges and these lights go from 4 to 0, you're going to need to recharge the device itself. So now you're asking, if I don't have electricity, how am I supposed to charge this? Well, the answer is right here. You can see there's solar panels built into the actual device itself, which will recharge the device. It's going to take a little bit longer to charge the device with solar panels. It might take anywhere from 12 to 15 hours, but once that happens, your battery bank should be fully charged again, and then you can utilize it to charge your devices one more time. This battery bank will allow you to charge your devices in your home, so you don't have to run out to your car and use your car's auxiliary ports to charge your phones. You can do it in the comfort of your own home. It also has a built-in LED flashlight that can be operated by hitting the power button twice. Sorry to blind you, but you can see where it's very effective. So this is definitely a product that I wouldn't want to weather another storm without. Finally, no home should be without one, but it's something that's often overlooked and essential during a storm. We're talking about a first aid kit. The one we have featured here today comes with 326 pieces, and it meets OSHA and ANSI standards. This means it can be used in your office, your daycare, or even your restaurant. It has brackets on the back that allow it to be mounted on almost any wall, and that will allow it to stay vertical. When it stays vertical, you can actually open it, and everything will stay in the actual kit itself. Everything is easily accessible without falling out. A few of the items featured are some sting relief, aspirin, Tylenol, antacid. We have some gauze and bandages here, antiseptic wipes, more bandages, a couple utensils here. And you can open it this way, and it has even more stuff stored. It's worth mentioning that one of the 326 pieces is this first aid emergency guide, which includes instructions for emergency situations such as shock, bleeding, choking, and burns. So this is one more example of a product that is great to have during a hurricane, but it's also a product that can be used for everyday situations. We hope you found this video helpful, and if you are interested in purchasing any of these items, please visit our online store at dailyhurdles.com. We've also included a hurricane check prep list that can be located under the product review section. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.